Hello guys, if you are mining eyes, if you update your app, this interface will actually pop up when you want to click on that mining key. You understand? So they will say KYC step one for a seamless experience. You understand? So we need to click on agree now. This agree. Let's click on agree and proceed. So click on continue to verify your face. You understand? So that you can be able to withdraw your eyes. So you see KYC step one. I confirm that the identity I'm using for this authentication will be the same one associated with this account. You know that you actually updated your picture, so make sure that you actually your real picture that is actually there, so that you don't complicate the issue. So I have to this choice cannot be changed later. So I'm going to click on continue now. So I'll choose my country. So I'll click on continue now. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video. So guys, after taking your picture, they will bring out an interface where you actually they will show you photos of emotions that you're actually going to display. So they will capture it by themselves. After that, this interface will show up. It will say authentication successful. Thank you for confirming your identity. Your check-in section will start now. So I'll click on done. You can actually see it. So now after I'll click on done. So here we are now. So if you have not been mining, I'll be leaving the link on this video description. So do well to click on the link and start mining. And also try to join my Telegram channel. If you have any question, you can drop your question on the group chat, then I'll respond to you. So that'll be all for now guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.